Okay, so I guess you're wondering maybe what Screencast-o-matic can do for your classes. So I'm going to show you a few things that you can do within the class with your Screencast-o-matic. One of the things is when you create a PowerPoint, you can insert it into, or you can use Screencast-o-matic to be able to just move your videos along. You can use Screencast-o-matic for a greater experience for your students by giving clearer instructions, going on virtual field trips, giving classroom lectures, giving demonstrations, etc. One of the really cool things about Screencast-o-matic is the cost. You get a lot for your money. Free is always good, and they have a free version. But there's only a yearly fee of $15, and in my opinion, more is better if you can afford it and if it's reasonable. This is probably one of the most reasonable programs that I've ever come across. Even when I was doing my instructional design courses, I had to purchase this because it's so valuable for my classrooms. Alright, so here's the difference in the pro version versus the free version. You get 15 minutes in the free version. You get to record and screen on webcam, and you can publish it to YouTube. That's one of the reasons why I opened a YouTube account, because when I first started, I thought there was no other way to load it up. However, when you use the pro version, you get a whole bunch more options. You can publish it to Google Drive, which is what I publish YouTube, and I publish it on my desktop, and I publish it also in Google Drive. You can also publish screenshots. You don't get watermarks when you publish. You can password protect all your uploads. Editing tools, scripting tools, screenshot tools. You can record system audio, webcam only, and draw and zoom. You can also insert a video into a video. So right now I'm recording this video, and if you notice, there's a video here, and I'm just going to show you.
Okay, class. I want to go over the OSHA instructions with you so that everyone understands what they're supposed to do. First of all,
okay, so I'm not going to bore you with okay, so here is the screen where you get started from. If you notice, I've arrowed different things. There's a welcome thing, there's a GoPro. You click on that to GoPro. There's got an account, log in. Alright, so the next screen is I've already logged in, but I just wanted to show you the pro. We've already gone over that a little bit. Okay, so here is the login. If you haven't registered yet, you might want to do that. You have to register whether you're free or not. And don't forget to do your little check mark here. Once you register, you will log in. Then you can start your recording. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. And once you record, it's going to, you start recording, it's going to come up, you're going to get this little thing right here, and it says just click run, and it'll start the process. Okay, so this little thing, when it's right when it first starts up, always pops up. You just hit the little hide button right there. I arrowed to it so you. Also, one of the advantages is you can create your own free website. So that's kind of cool, and that's in the pro version as well. Okay, so these are little buttons that are important. These are my grandkids, by the way, just so everyone knows. Okay, so you have your record and pause button here. You have your recording time here. So right now you can go, as you can see, I just recorded 9 seconds. But you have, as a pro, you have 8 hours. As a free version, you have 15 minutes. This is where you click done or restart. So I just wanted to show you those so that you could see the clicks, where to click on. Because you can only show those in portions of, I had to take snapshots to show you. So, alright, so once you start recording and you've completed it, you're going to hit done, alright? Or if you want to re-record and you don't like the first one, you just hit restart here and then click done. Alright, so then you're going to title your presentation and give yourself a description. Pick a category, make it public, private, whatever you want to do. The high quality is probably the best. And then the black, you can pick colors as well if you want a different color background. I just chose black for this presentation. Alright, so as you can tell, you can upload it to Screencast-o-matic. Once you have a login, you can upload it to Screencast-o-matic, and that's another place you can store it. You can upload it to YouTube, which you have to do if you have a if you have the free version. But then you can also upload it to your computer after you do that. But it only will upload for the free version to YouTube. You have a video file, which I usually do this. I sometimes will save it to Screencast-o-matic. I will save it 4 places. I will save it to Google Drive, Video, YouTube, and Screencast-o-matic. Also, it will, sometimes I'll drop it in my Dropbox. Okay, so like I said, you can insert videos several different ways. You can into the classroom. You can do it in Google Drive. Save your videos on your personal YouTube. Saved file on your computer, and in Screencast-o-matic.